Alright guys, we've made a special treat for the cats today. Some wet food finally. Some good food. Let's see how good they enjoy it. Alright guys, it looks like they're enjoying it. My two backyard cats for over a year now. I call one Tiny. I believe they're mom and baby. And Big Mama. Let them eat. That's usually they don't eat in the same plate, but watch at this. They have love for each other. And I believe they're enjoying that wet food.
Tiny smart.
Alright, they're enjoying that wet food. We'll give them a little treat here and there. Because I believe that the dry food we got at Costco, it was a huge bag, 25 pounds. So it took them like, maybe this is the 4th month they're eating the same thing. So they're just enjoying that wet food. Alright guys. Alright guys, I'll put this up on my channel, Red Ass Vlogs. Please like, share, and subscribe. We are going to do some yard work to make. We have the garden going. You want to take a quick tour of your garden there? Just quickly.
I have to go to
Just
work.
quickly go and show the garden while it's cameraing. Say what is what?
Me able.
You don't know what is what?
I don't remember. Oh, that's a pepper tree, scotch-bonnet pepper, Jamaican thyme, shadowberry. I think that's one bird pepper. Shallot. That's a tomato, and these are eggplant. And there's some more shallot, which is green onion, and that's thyme, and that's mint. And that's a honeysuckle plant. Beautiful when it blooms and it smells so good.
Alright guys, peace out.